All right, I'm going to try to finish up this mountain man today. And when I say finish, I'm not talking about getting it ready to go to the foundry tomorrow. Finished. But get it to a point where I'm going to probably have to spend a couple of weeks just getting it ready to go to the foundry if I do sell a copy of fine tuning. But it'll be close enough done that it'll show what it's going to look like when it's finished and in bronze. But anyway, I'm going to work on his hat, try to finish that today, and then finish up his face, put some hair on him, and try to figure that out. But yeah, let's finish off the week with all that today. Okay, the first thing I need to do is get the brim the same distance from the crown all the way around. I've watched the hat makers make hats, and they do the exact same thing that I'm doing right now, except they got a real good machine, or not a machine, but a handheld device that trims the beaver felt as they go around the crown. I don't have that luxury, but this will center the crown to the brim, so one side of the brim isn't going to be wider than the other side. Now, the style is going to be a low crown. Now I've got a sculpting tool that has a serrated edge on one side, and I'm going to use it to give texture into the hat to show that it's a soft beaver felt hat and just make it more interesting. I try not to have the marks or the texture all go in one direction. I try to have it come more fluid-like. You don't want to make it a monotonous texturing. You want a texturing that actually enhances the look of the clay. I had somebody once You're asking me, how do you keep the clay from sticking to your wire tool? Well, you can't. You just have to stop every once in a while and clean it off. I'm going to put a soft piece of clay up here and place the hat right there. Try to give it some form. Okay. Now I'll have to put a strap coming from here to around his neck, but I'm going to wait till I do the hair on his head and stuff like that. I've been debating whether to put a beard on him or not. And I've decided to go ahead and do it because it gives it character. And I'm trying to build the character in the face and all that stuff. So I'm going to put a beard on him. Got some smoothing to do on his face. I'm going to start out with little balls of clay. I don't know. Exactly whether a mountain man would shave his beard because he had a wife that would not be used to a beard, or he just figures she's going to have to get used to his beard because that's his personality. This is delicate work because I'm working around areas that I don't want to smash. And also the statue is starting to lean a little too far forward. There we go. It's not the best support on this guy. I'm trying to create a personality in the hair. That's not always easy to do. I think I'm going to leave it at that for now and pick this up next week and see how the hair looks to me when I come back next week. All right, as you can see, it's coming together, and I'm quite happy the way it's turning out. I'll pick up the hair next week. I want to live with it over the weekend and see how I feel about it at that time. The face of the mountain man is a lot better with that beard on, though, and it certainly shows the character. Alright, everybody, and I'll see you next week. By the way, if you like my videos, subscribe, click the bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And make a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.